In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autosave a chart on TradingView. This is a simple setting that makes sure your chart layout, drawings, and indicators are stored automatically to your account without you having to remember to hit save every time. Let's jump straight into the steps so you can get this turned on in just a minute or two. First, you need to open TradingView and go to the chart you want to work with. In your browser, head over to tradingview.com/chart and load up the AAPL chart on the NASDAQ symbol. Once the page finishes loading, take a quick look at the screen and confirm that the AAPL chart has appeared correctly and that the top toolbar across the upper part of the screen is fully visible. You need that toolbar because it holds the controls we are going to use next. Now we are going to open the layout saving controls. Look at the top toolbar and find the Manage Layouts option, which is located right next to the Save button. Go ahead and click on Manage Layouts. A small menu will drop down on the screen, and inside that menu you should be able to see the Autosave switch. Take a moment to locate this switch before moving on. With the menu open, it is time to turn on Autosave. Click the Autosave switch so that it flips into the on position. Pause on the menu for just a moment so you can clearly see that the switch has changed to the on state and is now active. Once you have confirmed it visually, click on any blank area of the chart to close the menu and return to your normal view. Next, we are going to confirm that Autosave is actually active. Click Manage Layouts in the top toolbar one more time so that the menu reopens. Look at the Autosave switch again and confirm that it is still switched on, exactly the way you left it. After you have verified that, click a blank area of the chart again to close the menu. That is it. The current TradingView chart layout now has Autosave turned on. Any future changes you make to this layout, including drawings, indicators, or chart settings, will be saved automatically to the signed-in TradingView account, so you no longer need to manually save your work each time you adjust something. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Autosave on your TradingView chart.